Want to know how to make an all-natural air freshener at home?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Then stay tuned and I will share my recipe and some of the benefits of using essential oils. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need for this project. Here are the materials that you will need. A spray bottle that has a very fine mist for the air freshener, baking soda, your favorite combo of essential oils, and a cup of distilled water. Let's scoop up 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Since my bottle is 10 ounces, I recommend using anywhere from 10 to 30 drops of essential oils, depending on how fragrant you would prefer your scent to be.
3 coins from a dead man's pocket. 2 teaspoons of wishful thinking.
Some of the benefits of using tea tree oil and eucalyptus oil is that they're both antibacterial. They're a natural deodorizer as well as the baking soda. And a bonus is that it also helps keep pests away. So then you're gonna mix the essential oils into the baking soda so it can kind of get evenly spread out. There are many more benefits to using these essential oils, but these are the top ones in a spray form. Then pour the mixture using a funnel for help into your bottle. Now just grab some distilled water, which is recommended. I like to pour some a little bit into the bowl and kind of swish it around to grab every little bit of my mixture. Pour that into your bottle first and then pour the rest. The reason why I chose this spray bottle is because it had great reviews for having an ultra fine mist. And that was one of the requirements in order for my boyfriend to allow me to make a natural air freshener. Then just shake well. And you can create some labels. I used my Cricut to make some. I recommend putting the recipe on your bottle so you can remember for future use. And if you want to change it up, you'll know what was in it, what worked well, and what maybe you would like a different scent for. Since this is a new bottle, it's gonna take a few pumps before you can get the spray going. But if you do, once it's going and you do like 4 pumps in a row, it actually does a continuous spray, which is nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like more videos like this, you can click the card up here. Or the best one suggested by YouTube is right over here. And of course, you can check out my blooper at the end, and I'll see you next week. And then you can add a